Hey guys, welcome back to another quick programming video. This is still going to be in the beginner series, and right now we're making an encryption program. It's a really quick encryption program that you can learn how to scramble up secret messages and decrypt them all within the same program. So as usual, I'm just going to get started with my Jupyter notebook, and we're just picking up where we left off with last video, and that was the turtle race. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. It's a quick and fun program to make, and like the past two programs, you can make this one under 10 minutes too. This is just me being corny as per usual. Alright, so right now we are going to create our variable called alphabet, and alphabet is just the alphabet. We're just going to type that string out with all the letters, and our key, this is what we're going to be using to encrypt and decrypt the messages based off of the position of each of the characters within the alphabet. So our new message is going to be whatever message we put in as our input. Well, our new message is going to be our encrypted message, which will get the key, and then we'll encrypt the message that we enter in, and then our decrypted message, we're just setting that variable, and we'll get to that later. So this right here is just a for loop, and pretty much what we're saying is that if the character is in the alphabet, then the position equals alphabet dot find character, and then we're creating a new position, and the new position is just adding whatever the current position of the alphabet is plus 3 more positions. So that's going to give us an entirely new character, and it's going to allow us to scramble up the message. Alright, and then our new message is going to be the combination of all of our new characters put together. So right now we're just printing your new message is, and then it just displays whatever the encrypted message is after it finds out all of the new position of all the letters within the message. Alright, and so now we're gonna go ahead and start our decryption. So you could stop at the encryption if you want, but I went away to unscramble all the letters so you can get your original message back. So for that, we're just going to do another for loop, and for each character in decrypt, the position is going to be alphabet.find. So very similar to what we're doing up top. The only thing is we're doing the opposite of what we did before. So instead of adding the position plus the key, we're going to have the position and then subtract the key, and we're getting 5 map like 26. And so what we're doing here is setting our decrypted character to whatever the position of the alphabet, the decrypted position of the alphabet, and then our new message, our decrypted message, is going to be the combination of all of those decrypted characters together. And so right now I'm getting an error message saying I have an invalid syntax. Should be a really quick fix to just have a space in between my new message. Right, and yep, just gonna say Erica is the best, duh. Oh. Alright, and I'm obviously not the best because I'm getting these little stupid errors here. Alright, and I'm spelling things wrong, so that's why I got that. Erica is now silly, duh. Alright, so then we're going to take our message here, and then we're going to try and decrypt it and see if we can get that back. And something went wrong there. Another spelling error. So let's see what happens when we fix that. So we're gonna try and turn our new message again. Cool. And then now we have our encrypted message. So you could send that to your friend or something and then see if they can figure it out. Or maybe you can just send them a portion, like the decrypted portion, and then just tell them to figure it out. Or you can just send them text messages. But yeah, so the one thing is, before when it decrypted the message, it put all the letters together. So right now I'm pretty much just adding a nested if statement inside or an if statement inside of our for loop. So it's pretty much saying if the character is a space, then the decrypted character is also going to be space. Else, if it's just a regular character within our alphabet, then it's going to follow the regular process and give its new key and its position and everything. And then that should give us our decrypted message. So this time I'm eating cereal. And so we're taking our scrambled up message, and yeah, I'm eating cereal again. And that's it, you guys. Super quick, fun, easy program for beginners. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.